Hello people, in this video I will show you how to install WordPress on Cloudways. Right over here we are going to the login screen. If you are at the login screen, enter your name and last name and your details. I've already did this, so I'm gonna click on login. I skipped it in the video. Okay, set your password. Generate a good password, a secure password. It's really important. Cloudways is a really good hosting provider. They provide really fast hosting and you can try it for free. What you don't have by other hosting providers, you can't try for free. So this is really good. Now your control panel is loading. I will show you how you install WordPress step by step. Right over here you can select your bandwidth, how fast your website must be. I recommend to use a lot of bandwidth because with a lot of bandwidth it depends on your business or budget. So right over here we go step by step. New tutorial. I hit next. Then I will create your server name. WordPress. And right over here you select your source. Right over here your location. Provider, sorry. And right over here we're gonna click on got it. Let me think. Yeah, this is right. 4 gig or 3. Okay, well, I will hit next. Okay, we go step by step, so you can follow everything. Right over here, it's adding the server, so this cannot take a lot of time. So I pause the video and come back. So WordPress is installed successfully. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna click on the button, and you will see that there stays new tutorial. This is your WordPress site. You can clone it. For example, if you have the one site and you want to clone it to the other site. So right over here, I'm going to enter my email and my password. I'm going to go to this page by clicking on WP Admin. Right over here is the site. Here are your login details for the server. But if you want your password for the WordPress site, switch to applications, click on new tutorial, and right over there it is. So enter your password, the easier password. I will hide it in this case. Okay, so yeah, I already have done it. And I will log in with these details, and you've successfully installed WordPress. Thank you, subscribe, and I hope you like my video, and I will create more soon. Thank you.